there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Assalamualaikum guys, Adventure Bike AB Group AliExpress से parcel just receive किया है थोड़ी देर पहले. Yeah guys, this is Insta360 ONE X2, which is the best action camera in the market so far. 5.7K resolution 360 camera and Steadicam mode, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, waterproof up to 32 feet 10 meters. This is more than enough. You can need intelligent editing, auto editing applications where you can edit your videos flawlessly and easily. And this is the ultra bright touch screen, which it has and 4 mic 360 audio, hyperlapse and voice command as well. So this is the ONE X2 module. Let's open and unbox this camera, purchase this camera instead of, yeah, wow, my god guys, finally we got this camera. Yeah, so this is the ONE X2 Insta360 and this is the accessory bag. I'll show you later on. And let's remove these covers. Yeah, 180 degree plus 180 degree, and there is a stitching line. Yeah, this is the lens. This is the main screen. This is the quick power up and record button. This is the power button on the side. This is the speaker, so you can listen to the videos audio now. This is one microphone on right side, another one on the left side. This is the LED which shows you the indication when it is recording or charging. There is another one on the other side as well, so there's a microphone on the other side. So there are basically 4 microphones, so whichever the side you are making videos of, the audio will be coming from that side. Beautiful grip. This is a good finishing plastic, as you can see, and the body is exactly the same as the ONE X module. This is the casing for the camera, guys. Yeah, you can open it, and it's almost double the size of the previous battery. Ion battery 1630. This is the capacity of the battery, so it lasts almost 2 hours if you're recording intelligently. This is a slot for the memory card, and this is the whole big slot for the battery. Insert the battery like this one is up arrow, you can see. Yeah, and there should be no orange sign, otherwise this means that orange sign means that there is a leak. And you can also see, guys, there's a blue waterproofing rubber material which actually seals this compartment. Yeah, so press it gently and you'll see there's no orange color. This one is for the, yeah, this is the USB-C charging, where it has the this module which I also purchased, 3.5mm USB-C adapter. You can plug it here and you can do the charging, and you can connect the external mic as well. So no other cameras have both these options, but look at how intelligent the Insta360 guys are, that they have given the module where you can actually plug both of these things. You can do charging and recording the videos, as well as you can also plug the external mic and do the video logging with a good mic. These are things I'll show you later on in detail, but first we just need to quickly see. Alright guys, so let's power it up now. First time we are powering up, just one press. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is the sound. Yeah, the touch is actually very good. Yeah, hi guys, Adventure Bike AB Group. Now I need to show you other items which I've purchased with the camera, because this is very important. Otherwise I don't want to make this video very long. Turn it off. Yeah, Insta360 shutting down, so don't try to touch anything to the lens. Okay, so this is the pouch, rubber pouch we'll be using for the camera to save the outer body, and it also has the, you can unplug a battery or the charging adapter as well. This main screen and both lens and LED screen, they are visible, and you can press this button. So all the 4 microphone, and the bottom side is exposed because you want to connect the camera to the selfie sticks. These are the lens guard, guys. This is very important to have a lens guard for the Insta360. Never to use without the lens guard, not recommended at all. And always keep this pouch. Yeah, this is a rubber safety pouch. I need to quickly plug plug it. Yeah, so now it's safe. It cannot strike, it cannot be scratched. You need to save the lens all the time, never to leave the lens exposed when you're not recording. So it's safe now, and I'll make a proper video how to install these lens guard video log in English, because I want other friends from out of the country, they can also watch my videos and share their views. So you'll be removing this case, and then there's a glue pasted, you see black line, that will actually stick to the camera. You can use this as the glue for pasting these lens guards. We'll just quickly install this. I'll fast forward this video for the camera. The battery side is visible as well. So this is perfect now, and you're touching it, you see, so nothing is rubbing it or scratching it now. Okay, so we have seen the unboxing of the Insta360 ONE X2 camera. Now I want to show you what other basic accessories will be available for you with the camera if you don't buy any other accessory. What the camera actually have. So this is one charging cable, USB-C type, to charge the camera, and you can also use it for the data extraction to the lens side. Okay guys, so this is the cloth actually I was talking about. You need this cloth to keep it with the camera all the time, so you can clean the lenses and you can clean the screen. Don't use any other cotton swab or anything else, just use this cloth only. And if there's anything sticky like sand or something, you better wash it with the water and then use the cloth. You don't want to scratch the lens. This is one. Then you have the basic pouch, and once you have this selfie stick, this power grip, you can charge it on the go, and you can do the video logging, and you can mount it to your motorbike on any surface with these mounts. This is to mount this one, and this is for the giving to any other direction where you want to. This is the bullet time cord to record the 360 bullet time action, and this one is the adapter for charging and for the voice recording as well. Both of the options are available in this one. This is the best one. So these are the basic things I wanted to share with you guys, and see you with some best videos from this camera. And we'll putting on do like, subscribe and share. Adventure bike is every good. I'll see you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and wait for just stay tuned for the beautiful updates coming from this camera.